So now let's see how we can utilize the Heal tool inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the Heal tool area right here and then click on Heal. So once I do that, you can see that I can go around and utilize the size and the feather right here to change up the brush according to how you want. So let's say I want to heal out this area. So I'm just going to go around and click right here and you can see that it healed out. So it took something else as a sample and healed it out. If I were to go around and show overlay, you can see that it took this sample. But if I were to go around and move the sample, you can see that I can change how the healing brush actually works right here and change out the sample over here as well. So let's go around and heal out this as well. So as I do this, you can see that it took this particular sample right here. But if you're not happy with the result, you can go around and change out the sample area over here just like this as well. Or you can go around and select this and delete this out right here. Let me just go around onto this area and it took this area as a sample. But if you wish to take this particular area as a sample, then that is possible as well. Let me just press Ctrl Z because I accidentally clicked, and you can see that I can go around over here and take this area right here as a sample as you like this, and get the sample that you like right here. Like let's say for example, I want this particular sample over here. You can disable the overlay and now you can see the overall result right here. You can also visualize the spot as you can see right here and change around the spot area if you want to detect it out. And that is how you can utilize the Heal Brush tool inside of Adobe Camera RAW and utilize samples as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.